Welcome all in this class of the electrical machine. In the last class, we described the EMF generated in the DC machine. We have derived the formula how much EMF is generated. We also described the role of excitation winding in the previous class, and in the last class we described the armature winding. So if you remember the role of the field winding, what was the role of the field winding? Say field winding is here. This is the say field winding here, north pole, and current is say in this direction, and say for example this is a south pole. Because of the field winding, the flux produced is phi. Now this flux produced is phi, and induced EMF produced into this winding in the armature winding. Induced EMF is produced in the armature winding, that is given by E is equal to K phi omega, where K is equal to ZP by 2 pi A. Z is the total number of conductors, P is the total number of poles, and 2 pi A is the parallel path, depending upon what type of winding is there. Now, while describing this, while deriving this formula E, we assume this flux is constant. We assume this flux because of the field winding is constant. Okay, but when you connect in the armature, here this is here there is a armature winding. Here it is a armature winding. From here the currents are taken out. Okay, so if you remember the winding, if you remember the armature winding, when we were describing this was like this. So if you remember, the armature winding was like this. This is the conductor number 1, 8, 3, 10. Those who were present in the class, they might be knowing that how this was done. 6, 11, 4, 9 and 7, 12. This winding was for the 12 number of conductor sides and 6 number of bindings, 6 number of coils. So these are the 6 coils, and this was the detail of this winding was described in the class. Here you see this is a positive term, positive brush. So here current is coming out. From where this current will come? This current will come. Current is flowing here like this, like this, like this, in this direction. So, and this is positive brush. It is a generator. So you can say it is a load. Load means it is taking some whatever voltage is produced, and depending upon the load there will be current. This current I will come from here. This is the same current. Say here this current is I, so you can say this is I by 2. This is I by 2. From here also current is coming. This and this total current, they are connected. So current coming out from the brush, so it is I, it is returning back. It is returning back and going through the negative brush. So in this way, this flow of the direction of current is there. Now you see here what is happening. This current, this is the, now here it is a brush, positive brush, this is a negative brush, and here you see because of this north pole and south pole, because of north pole and south pole, this is the direction of, what is this? This is the direction of the magnetic flux. This is the magnetic flux, and because of the rotation of this coil, there is a change of EMF, change of flux, and induced EMF produced into this coil. Now, when you connect the load here, current flowing into the armature also. So because of the current flowing into the armature means inside this, here there is a conductors. These are the slots in the rotor, and here there is a these are the conductors. Now when you load is connecting, say total current is I by 2 current will flow into ईच टर्न, हर एक कॉइल साइड में आपका I/2 करंट इज फ्लोइंग इन केस ऑफ ए वेव बाइंडिंग. So now this current here, when the current flowing into this, what it will do? When the current flowing into this, say current, if the direction of current, say in this case, if the direction of current, say for example, it is a upward, when the direction of current is upward, what will happen?